Representative Carney.
Thank you very much, Madam Speaker. And I just rise for a comment in support of this legislation. It seems every year we try to do more to chip away at this problem that every community that we serve faces. It doesn't matter whether you're in an urban district, a suburban, or a rural district. We've all seen tragedies as a result of opioids and substance abuse. I think this peer navigator section is outstanding. Having somebody in the community who has suffered from that addiction, reaching out to folks who need help. They may not know how to get help, but they need help, and having that person reach out to them it will save lives, as Representative Farrar just said. I know from, as I said, we've all faced these tragedies, including my own experience. My father passed away 4 years ago after facing probably a lifetime of addiction. He was addicted to opioids. He was addicted to alcohol, and he succumbed to that disease. The one time that he was better was when he was actually going to programs like Alcoholics Anonymous and working with people in the community to address his issues, but unfortunately it didn't ultimately work. So I come up here all the time thinking, well, what could I do as a legislator to improve the lives of folks like my dad? What could I do as a legislator to improve the lives of children like me when I was a little kid? One thing I would add is, I'd hope that these peer navigators could also help the family members of those who have parents or relatives who are addicts, because oftentimes the family members need a lot of help too to try to navigate this very difficult problem, to try to navigate this system. We didn't know when I was a kid really what the best course of action was. So I hope we can look at that eventually, because it really is, it's a community disease, it's a family disease. And like I said, I hope this, though, will save some lives, will save people like my dad, and will improve people like me when I was a little kid, so they can have parents that are not drug addicts or alcoholics, but they can get the help they need and reach their full potential as citizens of our state. So I'd urge adoption. Thank you very much, Madam Speaker.